Hey everybody, I'm Chris Barron. Thanks for switching over to Mode Go. You can also catch me on Twitch, ChrisJames654. Today we're racing the Formula V's at Virginia International Raceway. Full course. I've had some terrible luck in other cars on this course this week. Let's talk about it. Multi-class GR Series, multi-class MX5 Series, fixed Class D MX5. Ugh, what else? I mean, that's it. My ironies dropped from 1500 woo, woo, down to 1300. But this could be the difference maker. Probably not. We'll see. Number 8 car started P4. I'm sporting the Reese's Cup car, a hometown favorite. Oh, I like this one at 6. Go, 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 go. Great start. I've got about, I'm going to say 6 laps in this car so far, but I've been doing this track a lot, so we'll see how it goes.
Still there, clear. Right side.
Yep, I knew it. That's okay, that's okay.
Keep to the left.
A lot of race, a lot of race.
Clear. Right side. Clear. Go right.
Just like I said, a lot of race.
There's an infinite behind.
Oh, sounds like somebody hit somebody. I believe they call the turn the oak tree. It is, I'm going to go ahead and say it, probably the most important turn on this track. And it's the one that I'm least consistent with. Woo! We'll say 2 seconds behind, but we're still in this race. The people behind me are definitely coming up quick. Uh-oh. Just gotta make sure I get the inside here.
There's an infinite behind.
Okay, lost some time. That's okay. I think. The top 2 guys were running a full second quicker than me.
Car right.
I don't know why I just gave him that.
Keep to the left. Clear. Left side.
Well, that's why I just gave him that.
Go right.
And I lost another second.
There's an infinite ahead. You got it. Slow car on the right. Go left.
Oh, was it an incident with all 3 of them?
¿Qué pasa? ¿Que vas solo tú por la pista o qué?
V3? I don't know what he just said. Probably disappointed with what happened. That was the beginning of lap 2, so let's try to remember to go back and look at that. got about 3.7 seconds to the guy behind me. And 2 more laps. Kind of funny.
Okay, you're in second.
Love it.
I always try to see when they shift. It looks like we shifted it around the same point there, so I should be gaining time since I've got some draft on him. Looks like I am. Again, shifting about the same time. Good. So what I don't want to be is I don't want to be lined up beside him.
Car on your left. Still there. Stay on the right.
Oh my god, both of us?
Clear on the left.
That's very weird how we were both kind of let off. I only wonder if he did it to specifically.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left. Left side. You just hit the fastest lap. Keep to the right. Okay, you are the leader. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Sorry about that, fastest lap. We got 4 seconds instead of 3.7 on the guys behind us. All good things. I'm thinking he let me pass him so he could be set up to pass me.
Car on your left. Clear.
Or he can, I don't know, help those other guys. I don't know why you fake it like you're gonna go for it and then not go for it there. Definitely don't want to go through the S's side by side.
Clear on the right. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
He's just being a dick, trying to get me to wreck.
Left side. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right. Clear.
Yeah, he's just positioning himself for the P1 victory.
Real nice work. This is the white flag lap. Car on your left. there, hold your line. The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 22.838. Car
Do you
on.
want it? All you're doing is slowing us down.
The car in P7 just set the fastest lap. 21.885. Clear on the right.
I could get out of the racing line, slow down, let him pass. Like when he least expect it. Especially when he gets beside me like this.
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 1.1 seconds.
He's probably got this race now. It's very smart of him to place his car there. I slowed down a little bit too much. Full second? I doubt it. Yeah, unfortunate. Well, I mean, unfortunately we couldn't get the win, but P2, baby! Woo! 0 incident points. Happy about that.
Checkered flag, checkered flag. Good job, very good job.
A ver si aprendes a mirar para los lados, Daniel. Atontado, estás atontado.
Oh yeah, let's see what happened
Que te
there.
piensas que vas tú solo por el circuito o algo.
Thanks for the fun racing, Peter.
Yeah, good fun, mate.
Racing, 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 racing. Ooh! I don't know what he was really going for there. Get a good look at that Reese's Cup car. Anyways, that was pretty much the most exciting thing. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, please. Bye, 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 bye.